Hi, welcome to Astro Conscious. This is Astro Conscious' second episode for this week. This is all about the starting point of a birth chart. Okay, we are today discussing about signs. What a sign? How many signs? How many houses? What are their names? And what are the degree wise? And what is the chart styles? Okay, so here we following three types of chart, in Western, because we have to give an idea about astrology to the beginners. So that's the thing. So I have to give you points like this. This is actually Western style astrological chart. And this is about Vedic astrology, southern style. And this is about Vedic astrology, northern side. So this is Western, this is Vedic south, and this is north chart of Vedic, right? So Western astrology is actually giving mostly taking sun as an ascendant, mostly moon also they are looking, but and degree wise it's calculating, nothing wrong with that, okay? But in Vedic astrology it gives more accurate awareness, more accurate analysis of astrology and your birth chart or any analysis. Why? Because if the thing is, I think everybody knows that sun is transiting once in a month, Sun is transiting once in a month means the earth is moving, the earth is moving. Earth takes a particular period of degree time to cross a particular house area with the sun. Now you understand, with the sun. If scientifically say, astrologically say, to moving from one house to the another, one sign to the another, it takes 30 degree each, right? 30 degree each. So sun is actually transiting once in a month. So that means if we take the sun as an ascendant, what will going to happen? Millions and millions and millions and millions of people are born in a particular sign. For example, Aries sign, okay, or Scorpio, or any sign takes millions of people. That millions of people are different from you. So it takes a long time to, that many, it's not that correct if they are not predicting through sun. If it is degree wise correctly, there are good astrologers, Western, they are doing, but normally the horoscope writers and everything like Aries, Taurus, that sort of things, once in a month, they don't, it's not a good analysis. So that's what I'm saying is, here sun is moving from, sun is in exaltation point in Aries. So I don't want to say what is exaltation today. Just think, sun is in a great comfort with Aries. I think now sun is in Aries, astrologically, astronomically. So sun is in Aries. Actually, universal time consisting of 360 degree, everything 360 degree, as a circle or this, whatever is it, the chart is different, the diagram is different, but the analysis is same. Okay, if it is a degree wise, it is correct. Here also degree wise, here also degree wise. But the point is, if we take sun as a ascendant, then it will give a month period. It's a big period, If somebody takes moon, that means 2.5 days. That also gives a trillion people will come, you know, in that particular 2.5 days, maybe million, I don't know, whatever. It comes that many people, it will not be same, right? So the difference in Vedic astrology and Western is Vedic astrology takes your time of birth, when you born in earth, when you out from your mom's, you know, like from, not from the uterus, from the vagina. That period consisting, some people they takes cutting the umbilical cord. That is not actually the correct time, because sometimes the umbilical cord cutting in after few seconds, after few minutes, it will not. So what is the correct birth time is after coming to the earth, the first time the head is coming out, you know, even if it is cesarean, when the babies come out, that's the exact moment. Okay, so that time, the rising ascendant in Vedic astrology, why gives more good awareness? Because in that time, which sign ascending in the east side, that is your ascendant, rising ascendant. Because a day, daytime and nighttime, your ascendant is moving, your rising ascendant in the east or ascendants are moving 2 hours time. Not 1 day, not 2.5 days, not 1 month, it is 2 hours. So, if you're born in rising ascendant in the east of Aries, it means you are in Aries ascendant. If it is in Taurus, you are in the second house, Taurus, you are Taurus ascendant. So what it is, okay? I don't want to confuse now. These are 3 charts, different styles of diagram, different styles of chart, but gives the same prediction, but gives the same result. And now, what is our point here is about signs. How many signs? We got 12 signs, okay? 12 signs and 12 houses in astrological chart, okay? So, first house is always Aries. You know why? Because sun is comfortable and sun is here exaltation. I will give that kind of explanation further in further episodes, but not now. I don't want to make you confused. So the first house is Aries, then Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio. Always people scared. You know why? The deepest. Here also spice is deepest water, but here the 8th house means people always, oh, death, sudden things. It is also sudden wealth. It is also sudden lottery, you know, success. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Capri, and then Aquarius, Pisces. Same here. Aries standing, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Virgo, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces. Here, different is, when you see this, it feels very, very difficult to draw it. It's not. Just draw a square first or a rectangle first, cross that, then take the center points and draw it like that. That's all it is, okay? So here, a little bit difference. Here the first house is always first house. If you are a Cancer, if you are a Scorpio, your ascendant always, the first house always coming here. But here and here, it's moving. Because if it is, your ascendant is, rising ascendant in the east is Cancer, then your first house is coming here. Right? Then second, third, fourth, fifth, say, like that it's coming. Here also it's kind of like that. But here it's always the ascendant here. So, if you are a Cancer 1 or a Scorpion or Aquarius or Pisces, doesn't matter, your rising sign in the ascendant, the east, the Lagna comes here. First house, okay. First, 2, 3, 4, 5th, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When you calculate me like this, it's a bit difficult, right? When you say like that. I'm sorry to use this because when you can't see that properly. That's why, okay? Then, it is easy to know the aspects and conjunctions, right? How? This is the first house, this is the fifth house, this is the ninth house. This is a triangular position aspect of a planet and a sign. Triangle. Here I drawn already triangular position of your Lagna and the fifth house and ninth house. First, fifth, nine. First, fifth, nine. First house, fifth house, ninth house. First house, fifth house, ninth house. First house, fifth house, ninth house is always aspecting each other. Planets and signs. So you understand that. Then, what is these houses? We already said 12 houses here. These are the 12 houses. These all got a special characters, special sign lords, special planetary significations. Lot of things are there. But it is very simple, you know. When it is studied through each class, you can understand. I don't want, but it is curious too sometimes, you know. Next episode I'm coming with that kind of curiosity. Now it will give you some sort of answer about your about your how to find out your karma, or how to find out your job, or how to find out who actually your spouse, right? You want to know, isn't it? What is the character of your spouse, right? I will give some sort of that kind of curiosity in next class, because this is, you know, when we start like this, you feel, oh my God, this is boring. We need something curious, right? Okay, so that's the thing. So 12 houses. All the houses consisting of 30 degree each sign, each house, total 360 degree. So 12 houses altogether 360 degree, each house 0 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 1, oh sorry about that, extremely sorry, okay, so 90 to 120, 30 degree, 150, 150 to 180, 210, 240, 270 to 300, 330, 360. So you said maybe normally, you know, people ask, oh, okay, the 0 is starting here, 360 is here. How it is? 360 degrees. So that means 359.99 as considered as 360. 9.99.99 point until that. So that is the thing. Then comes to 1. Okay. So up to 360 degree. So Aries, again I'm telling, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius and Pisces. In Vedic language, what it is called is Mesha, Rishabha, Mithuna, Karkidaga, Kadaga, then Leo, Chinga, then Virgo. Virgo is what it is called in Virgo. Kani, Tulam, Kani, Tulam, Vrishchiga, Dhanu, Magaram, Kumbham, Meenam. I don't want to give that to here, no. So if anybody watches, Vedic people or something like that, they can easily understand. That's why I said, I'm sorry about that. But I have to, I have to be equal to everybody. So, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio. This is already, I think, because most of the people, even they are not believing in astrology. When they see a paper, they will definitely look, oh, okay, what's going on with the Scorpio now? Oh, okay. Oh, I thought that. I thought it will happen. That's this, okay? The science is I'm telling here, right? So the triangle is aspects 1, 5, 9 and the major houses 1, 4, 7, 10. These all things I will discuss later as well because I don't want to make you confused. So 3 types of charts, Western, Vedic South, Vedic North. This is all diagrams and always gives a good astrological analysis. So thank you for all watching this video again, and please, if you like, please make a like button or press the like button. So please share to your people who are interested in that, and bye. See you soon.